Alrighty, picked up this new seat chain swing thing for the playset. The reason why is the old one, you can see here, actually broke right here. It basically rusted out, and also the way the link is, you can see these are, see how the links are? It's much smaller compared to these. This is thicker and also doesn't have this weird, what do you call it, turns and stuff. So these are basically pretty solid. What I like about this too is down here it's coated, so it won't, one, kink up on the kid, two, won't get that dirty, and also more comfortable with heat or anything being outside in elements, hot or cold I should say. And the thing too is the carabiner. It's pretty cool. It comes with this carabiner here, and you can just twist it down so it keeps it from popping out. I would suggest to keep an eye on this. Maybe flip it around, whatever's comfortable, but definitely keep an eye on this. See if it rusts, see if it decays. But so far, it's pretty heavy-duty looking. I'm liking it. And the other one was beat up anyways. It's pretty old, so this one's brand new. It'll last a lot of years. Daughter's getting bigger, so this should work for her. Alrighty, thanks for watching.